We're making easy vegan coleslaw. My husband is crazy about this recipe. He will, no joke, finish this all in one sitting. He loves it so much. This is a recipe by the blog Minimalist Baker. I love Minimalist Baker just because I feel like every recipe I make from them, it always turns out good. And this is just a few ingredients. I've used a pre-shredded coleslaw mix, which has green cabbage, red cabbage, and carrots all shredded to the perfect texture for a coleslaw. And we're just gonna make our dressing, then mix it all up. And it's gonna pair really well with any side dish, but I love pairing it with lentil sloppy joes on the sandwich or even just as a side. It's also really nice as a side for, if you just have some chili, you name it. Okay, so I have already made cashew cream. We're going to start with that as the base. So obviously that makes the really creamy part of the dressing. And then I have some maple syrup, which is gonna be a nice sweet touch. Apple cider vinegar, which gives it a little tanginess. And then we have some yellow mustard, or also calls for spicy brown mustard, with a little pinch of salt in there as well. And one thing that I leave out of it, there's some celery seed salt and red onions or regular chopped onions in the recipe. And there's no big reason, I just don't have those two on hand right now, but you could add them if you like them and have them too. Okay, we're just gonna mix that up. Get this nice yellow color. Dressing's ready. Probably a little bit more we can get out of there. All right, let's toss it up. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable, and that means it has a really good amount of sulforaphane, which is great for fighting cancer, and we get a max benefit from eating this raw. So coleslaw is a great way to get some raw cruciferous veggies in. And of course, we've got lots of antioxidants, especially with the purple and the orange colors, and lots of unsaturated fats with the cashews. See if we can get a little bit more out of this. All right, and that's it. Try a bite. So good. It's really crunchy just with the raw cabbage and carrots, creamy and tangy and savory with the dressing, but a little touch of sweet. That's awesome. So of course the cashew cream is gonna make it a little more whole food based, a little bit more nutrient dense, but vegan mayo or veganase can be a great substitution if you already have that on hand or if you prefer that. And it'll still give some nice unsaturated fats and creamy texture and just be a little bit more simple. Easy vegan coleslaw. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to follow along for more.